Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Flicks Hub, your home for smart investing ideas, market insights, and real talk about money. Today, we're going deep into the 2026 market outlook, the changing economy, and one small AI stock that could turn out to be a big winner, Big Bear. AI, BBAI. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let ES decode what ES really coming for investors in 2026, and whether this sick stock could be ready for a major breakout. Honoring veterans. Before we start, let us take a moment to recognize all the veterans who EV served with courage and strength. Their discipline, focus, and resilience remind us what true commitment looks like, and that same mindset can guide us in the financial markets too. 1. Understanding the 2026 market setup. A lot of people are nervous about where the market is heading. Some think the rally is over. Others believe a crash is coming. But here is the truth. 2026 is shaping up to be a massive opportunity for those who prepare early. Why? Because several big forces are lining up. Trillions of dollars are being invested into AI and infrastructure. The Federal Reserve is expected to start cutting interest rates, which boosts liquidity. Corporate profits are improving quarter by quarter. There's record cash sitting on the sidelines, and at some point, it's coming back into the market. So while the headlines may sound scary, the real story is about positioning ahead of the crowd. 2. What kind of market to expect 2025 has been smooth. A calm, steady climb. But 2026? That's going to be different. Expect a strong overall uptrend, but with sharp corrections along the way, 10%, maybe even 30% pullbacks before the next surge. Why? Because when interest rates drop, margin trading increases. Investors borrow more money to buy stocks, and that adds fuel, both up and down. So next year will test your emotions. The smart move is to stay disciplined. Keep adding quality assets over time. Don't chase every rally or panic on every dip. Think like a business owner, not a trader. If you can stay calm when others can't, 2026 could be your best investing year yet. 3. The AMD lesson. Let's talk about AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. At the start of the year, most people ignored AMD because everyone was obsessed with NVIDIA. But look at what happened. AMD's stock is up nearly 100% this year, while NVIDIA gained about 40%. That's the perfect example of why you should focus on fundamentals, not hype. AMD quietly built its AI and GPU business, stayed consistent, and now investors are finally catching on. It's a great reminder. The next big winner often starts as the most underestimated one. 4. Spotlight. BigBear.ai. BBAI. Now let's shift to Big Bear. AI, ticker symbol BBAI, a small-cap AI company currently trading around $6. This company isn't about fancy chatbots or social media tools. Its focus is decision intelligence, AI systems that help governments, militaries, and large organizations make faster, smarter, and safer choices. Their clients include the U.S. Department of Defense, Homeland Security, and other major institutions where failure is not an option. This isn't consumer AI, it's mission-critical AI. 5. BBAI's strategy and business model. Big Bear's growth model is smart. It's actually similar to Palantir's approach. They start by offering their software or data tools for free or at a small cost. Once the client sees real results, they sign small pilot contracts. Those contracts grow into large, long-term government deals. That strategy builds deep trust. And in the defense world, once you're in, you usually stay in for years. They're not chasing hype. They're building strong, lasting relationships. 6. Why BigBear.ai matters. Here's why investors are watching closely. High barriers to entry. Not many companies can even qualify to work with defense agencies. Proven performance. They already have multi-year government contracts. Expansion in generative AI. Their recent acquisition of Ask Sage helps bring AI assistance to secure environments like the Pentagon. Partnerships. They're working with DEF CON AI to expand their reach in defense and logistics. Big Bear. AI is small now, but its clients are huge. That's the kind of leverage that can transform a company over time. 7. Recent earnings and financial highlights. Now let's look at numbers, because numbers tell the truth. The company just posted a $2.5 million profit compared to a $15.1 million loss last year. Their backlog, that's confirmed future business, has grown to $376 million. Revenue guidance remains $125 to $140 million for the year. That means they not only growing, but becoming profitable and stable, something rare for small AI firms. 8. Long-term potential. At around $6 per share, BigBear.ai is priced like a high-risk play. But when you look at the execution, contracts, and AI expansion, the upside looks strong. If they hit their targets, some analysts believe the fair value could be between $20 and $25 over the next few years, with potential for much more long-term. By 2030, even conservative models project a bull case around $55 per share and a bear case around $13, both above current prices. That's what makes it an asymmetric opportunity: limited downside, high potential upside. 9. Big picture. The investor's mindset for 2026. 2026 will not be easy. There will be fear, confusion, and noise everywhere. But it's also a year where disciplined investors can build life-changing positions. Here's the mindset to keep. Stay patient. Focus on fundamentals. Use volatility to your advantage. Don't follow hype. Understand what you own. Success next year will come down to one word: discipline. 10. Conclusion. So to wrap it all up, the 2026 market could be volatile but full of opportunity. AMD showed how fundamentals can outshine hype, and BigBear.ai might just be the next underdog story in the AI revolution. If you plan smart, stay calm, and focus long-term, 2026 could be a powerful year for your portfolio. Ending and call to action. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Finance Flix Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next market breakdown. This is Finance Flix Hub, helping you stay ahead, stay smart, and stay profitable. See you in the next one.